Hello, everybody. Welcome to Apollo Open Call webinar. I'm Gediminas Račiukaitis, coordinator of the project. We will have another webinar at 17 February at the same time. And from the beginning, we will have some presentation about our project and open call procedures. After that, we are waiting questions and we try to answer to your questions. And if you have additional questions as they arise during presentations, there is a chat button here, and you can use this area to write questions to us, to any of us attending this meeting. And we will try to answer you during this webinar or later after the webinar. Okay. Apollo is a Train 7 project. We started in September. Sorry. Okay. We started in 2013, September 1. And now we're ready to introduce new partners to our consortium. And we're opening this open call for new partners and applications. And the call is on high precision and speed processing with ultra short. This means sub-nanosecond pulse lasers. From Apollo consortium, we have two attending this webinar, so it's me, coordinator, and with us who is manager of Apollo Hub, and can help you in technical questions regarding consortium partners, technical infrastructure that can be used also in your proposals. We apologize, it was some mistakes in our arrangements and some emails that we sent to this special email we rejected. And if you send such emails, please resend them again and we will try to answer. We solve this problem. Our concept of the Apollo, we focus on emerging innovative laser technologies and processes, which needs to be customized, tested, and validated. It means that customer needs service of laser application labs for trials. Tested, it means it needs experiments at variable conditions, and validated reliability of the process quality assessment in close to manufacturing environment. And all that our consortium is arranging this in a way that we can help in providing such kind of service. And in our consortium, we try to exploit unique combination of distributed knowledge in academic application laboratories, equipment producers, system integrators, and end users, and to develop innovative processes, product machinery, and laser material processing applications. And for all this, we established half of laser application laboratories. So we have some particular partners in the consortium that working in the centrum like a hub that helps small companies like component providers, laser suppliers, small system integrators to enter to the market, to the large companies. There's some new components that are interesting for laser applications. And normally, at the moment, we have in our project 8 complex equipment assessment value chains that includes, like in shown in this chart below. First of all, we're thinking prepare some assessment procedures. Now we assess equipment that supply our partners, and for this we use Industrial Advisory Board. After that, next step is assessment of equipment, how it works, how it's stable is, and the output for this is a report to equipment supplier. There's some information that is could be confidential to equipment supplier only, about different drawbacks that can be found during assessment procedures. And normal, as you know, laser processing technologies need more integration, different techniques. So we integrate different equipment into technologies system and assess how this equipment works together with other equipment. And after that, we go to assessment of the process, dedicated process, technological process using lasers and another kind of equipment. And for this assessment, we are preparing a report, because equipment suppliers need like advertisement material, good applications notes about what they can do with this equipment. And also this is good input for end users, how valuable this equipment that we try to assess is good for their technological processes. And final stage of this assessment is validation with end users, because end users have quite a lot of confidential information about their processes, their needs, and it's very difficult to make this public. And this is final testing on really requirement of end users, and the output should be that this equipment will be tested and end users will be happy with this equipment, because it will be tested at all sites, and should can decide to use this equipment and technology in their own processes. How we look all this assessment value change and our consortium that is at the moment in Apollo. So we have laboratories that do assessment. So it's some research institutes, laboratories at the research institutes, some laser center at universities, and one small company. Hello? And we have equipment suppliers, small companies that supply lasers, polygon scanner, small processing system, some equipment. And the opposite side, on the green side, we have large system integrator like Mondragon, and we have large end users in automotive, like research center of that, and we have some companies in printing industry and photovoltaics. We have two special another partners for managing IPR and some supply for materials. What we are looking in our open call, we are looking for new partners in every proposal. We are looking for new partners. One partner for the blue part that comes with the blue part, and one that will come to the green part. Supplier and end user, they know some equipment that need for and end user knows some processes that they need this equipment, and after that, one of our laboratories can help to make this assessment value in this direction. As we call, as I said, we have APPOLO HUB, the special part of the consortium, where we accumulate capabilities and services that can provide those our partners. And if you go to this website, you can find what technique else we have in our laboratories, what we have experience, and you can use any of this experience preparing your proposals. And because it's this equipment that you provide like new in the proposal can be quite small part of this technological process that really needs for industrial applications. So it can be installed in any of these techniques that we have now in the consortium. Now we go directly to the call. It's call for new assessment experiments in laser-based manufacturing. Initially, in our project, we have saved some money for new partners. This amount of money for new partners is 1.2 million euro. European support, European funding. So it means including that most of the work is research and development. So it means 75% normally for small companies funding rate. So it means projects can be larger. We expect to select approximately 6 proposals. So it means budget is limited in 200,000 euro per proposal for new partners. For those 2 new partners that should go with the proposals. And every proposal must include at least 2 new partners, equipment supplier and end user, laser technology. And of course, and in every proposal must be at least 1 existing partner from a laser application laboratory that is shown in this green area. And you can find those members in APPOLO HUB. And as we need also to do some jobs, there is some money reserved for existing partners per proposal, but you see those money that smaller because we have our budget for the APPOLO project. And your proposals will be evaluated by independent experts working according to Commission rules, and they will select proposals and rate it. Not we will select proposals that who is better or who is worse. As you know, you cannot prepare a proposal without contact with us because you need expertise of our partners to know what we can do. And when we select some proposals, those partners must will assess a grant agreement with the European Commission and also assess grant consortium agreement of APPOLO consortium. And what we are looking for, what type of experiment. As I told, the topic is a high precision, a high speed processing. This ultra short, it means sub-nanosecond pulse lasers. The limited kind of the lasers. We do not looking on macro processing because we all are specialists in micro. Even though some of us have some macro experience and technique. And we are looking on laser processes or efficient laser texturing using high precision and speed texturing, high speed large area surface texturing, roll-to-roll texturing, surface functional surface texturing, or laser processing like of molds, sintering, parts, polishing, and texturing of those components. If we look on application areas also, this could be some thin films or flexible electronics, security and defense, photovoltaics or biosensing. We do not have experience and do not work with real biomaterials. And so that's why in the list of the materials you see composite materials, transparent like glasses, silicon wafers, polymers, and metals. By equipment, we are looking again on new lasers, new wavelengths, new temporal and beam shaping techniques, fast scanners or beam guiding techniques, process sensing and monitoring. So it's type of the equipment that could come. Of course, it could be also small systems that can be integrated into the larger systems for end user technologies. And of course, those should be high reliability, 24/7 working conditions, high quality, and for laser processing itself by combining other processes and diagnostics in closed loops. In your proposals, you can include also techniques that is under development and assessment in the APPOLO. So by some partners that now working in our consortium. One is 1.34 micron picosecond laser, 100 meter per second polygon line scanner, 10 megahertz fiber laser working in fast and second harmonics working in picoseconds, and it could be reached 100 watt mean power. Another laser is 100 watt 1 picosecond laser with a high repetition rate, 5-axis ultra short pulse laser workstation for 3D surface texturing. And as I told you, also proposal activities can include equipment that process APPOLO HUB members, and you can find this in APPOLO HUB website. Eligibility of the proposals. As we have now existing consortium, there is no limitation that partners can come from one country or from many countries, because we have full set of countries enough. The only question is those countries are related to Framework 7 program, because we founded from Framework 7 program still. And it depends if in that program your country was available to get some money from European Commission, you can get those money and you can participate in those programs. So it means like Switzerland can get money still from this call. Proposal should include at least 2 new partners, as I told you, equipment suppliers and end user, and also 1 existing partner for our APPOLO HUB. And those laboratories are located in different countries. You can select closer to your countries, or that better fit to you, or even you can ask and we advise you which partner better you communicate to preparing the proposal, depending on experience that particular experience we have our partners located in those laser application laboratories. New equipment, as I told, it should be based for laser-based manufacturing, but are not limited to lasers, positioning, beam shaping, guiding, and scanning, online monitoring and control. One is must that all those new partners should have PIC number. So it's quite easy procedure to get PIC number with the European Commission. It's close to 10 numbers code. So it means that you are a legal entity and can be a partner in Framework 7 projects. And assessment experiments in the proposal should rely on the existing expertise that we have in our APPOLO consortium. We cannot do service for you that we have no experience, and that you can discuss with us, with HUB, or you can look in our HUB website. And as I told also, evaluation will be done by independent experts selected according to Europe Commission rules. Proposal, 10 pages only and few tables. Soundness of your concept, innovations and quality of the work plan, quality of the consortium, so including 2 new partners and the selected partner from the consortium, our consortium, budget, 2 separate tables for new and existing partners. See our money divided between partners, and industrial relevance and potential impact and exploitation plans. It's very important part for European Commission. So how is important for your business this assessment in Apollo. Of course, if there are some ethical issues, they can be mentioned. Evaluation criteria, there are guides for applicants. You can find in our website for this. And call details, as call is now open. Now is the most important is the deadline. Deadline is 18th March this year, 15th Central European Time. Expected duration for the project, so it's a little more than 2 years, or you can be closer if you need. But in any case, you cannot expect to start earlier than this summer and finish later than end of August 2017, because our project finishes. This amount that available for the call. Proposal should be submitted in English, and full text of the call there is in this text under this link. Proposals must be submitted by this email, and if you have further question, you can send emails and we try to answer your questions. Now it looks timing, deadline. After that we have quite short time according to European rules for evaluation and rating, and after that we can expect in 17 weeks after the deadline approximately will accession to the grant agreement and consortium agreement. Of course, you will be informed about results of evaluation earlier. It's really all that I would like to say to you at the moment. This is our consortium, and thank you for listening. And now we would like to hear your question and try to answer online, and after that answer other questions if you have them. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'm Stefano Tangarra from Optel INP. It's an Italian SME. And well, we are quite interested in taking part to this open call as an end user. We are a company that works basically now with sensors and packaging. And probably we will get in the project. We will advance a proposal together with another Italian SME that is a laser equipment supplier. If I well understand, we should propose a new technique, and the consortium will try to fasten all the process that goes from testing and validation, right? So we have to already have a technique that has to be validated within the consortium infrastructures. Is this correct?
The main idea, the call that we have this Apollo project money from Europe Commission, we really do not R&D, do not development, but we assess. We try to reduce step for companies that have some advanced or innovative products to reduce step to entering market. So if you have some product, we can help you to find end user, and for end user before deciding to buy your product, we do some assessment of your product on that requirements that end user have, and commission pay for this. So it means it's a main goal of those this Apollo projects and another project, how to help SMEs with their products go to the market. So please look, and you know, in all Framework 7 projects, and now even in Horizon 2020, it's more important impact. please look what could be impact on your company and another company if this product that we will be validate, how it will be affect your business. Not simply that we look, your laser is stable, your optics is stable and works well, it's very fine and okay. But also look on the business component. You can expand your business, you can find new markets, you can find new applications, and this application is growing. This should be very clearly written in the proposals. Okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
More questions? Hello? Are there more questions?
Well, no, for me, no. This one was okay. It was the only doubt that I had.
Hello.
Yes.
I don't know if you hear me.
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, so I am André Perelman from the company LaserSpect. I just talked to you 30 minutes ago before the meeting. So we are a small SME from Belgium, and we are producing some laser that we would like to apply for micro machining or polymer treatment. We have also end user that can join the project. So I do not know if, so we have to look for a partner in the consortium to build a new proposal to submit in April. That is the way we have to do. So we have to contact the partners of the consortium individually. That is the way we should do. If there are common interests.
There is no way. It's better you can contact to open call, and we will select partners you can communicate. We will have tomorrow meeting management board with all those application lab managers coming together, and we will discuss how to share this. And if you see that some application laboratories that are inside our APPOLO HUB have very particular experience that you need, you can directly contact to them. If you don't know email, you can ask us. We can directly simply direct you to right person in those application laboratories, and you can communicate. We done a few times in this work. Okay, it's clear or not?
The project I have in mind involves end user, which is in microelectronics, or it is in polymer treatment.
Yes.
So those two topics, apparently, the end user. I did not find end user in the present consortium with that application. So the proposal I have in mind is both the laser manufacturer, which is LaserSpect, and both the end user is out of the consortium. But for the laser side, we may find common interest with a member of the consortium.
Okay.
And for example, So that is more or less what I'm thinking. I don't know how to deal with the proposal, if we have to write a proposal to find a partner, or you will contact the partners individually.
Okay, we will help you.
And the other point, so basically for a proposal, the budget is 200K, and how should that split? There is a little bit, mainly it will be used for testing the laser system. There is some money also for the laser system itself, if you have to adapt the optics and to adapt the system, or what is the?
It's up to you how you spend those money. We have a limited budget per proposal for new partners. It's 200,000 euros for both two new partners that should come with a proposal. How you divide in between, it's your choice. And you use those money also up to you. you can make some modification of your system. You can use it for your money for people that really need some common work with our application laboratories. It's up to you.
Okay. And okay, but so at least the proposal must involve a partner from the existing consortium.
Yes.
So there is at least 3 partners per proposal.
Yes.
So I guess some money also goes for the member which is already in the consortium. That's correct?
Don't care about those money. Those money goes separately. As I showed in my slides, I try to find it. We have special here. We have special money spared for existing partner proposal.
So the new partner.
Existing partners can expect to have 40,000 euro per proposal.
Okay, that is. In the new proposal, the existing partner will receive about 40,000 euro, and the two new partners will share about 200,000 euro. Yes. That's correct. About money, yes. And that's just the way.
Yes.
Okay, but okay. The main problem is that when we have a problem,
those numbers is for Europe Commission support. So yes. It means. You understand this is R&D, all these activities like research and development that normally for SMEs goes up under 75% funding rate. So 25% you should add from your money.
Yeah, and there are also overheads, I guess, no? Overheads rate?
Yeah, it's included everything. You cannot get more money from Europe Commission.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. It's clear. So what is presently not clear exactly? If we have a proposal, we first have contact a consortium member to try to build a new application, I guess.
Yes.
That is that. And okay. And there is a list of the member. In fact, there is only one consortium which exists, which is the consortium for Apollo. Under this call, there is only one consortium, I guess, existing. There is one hub. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And
you can send very small idea about your application, and after that we decide which partner to direct you.
Okay.
To discuss more details how to prepare this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. More questions? Hello? More questions?
Yeah, we will prepare meeting minutes about these couple of questions. I think we will send it out to all the users who registered. So you can also check our answers there. And also, yeah, if you have more things coming up, you can join us on February 17th.
Excuse me, we will have also the PowerPoint presentation soon.
Yeah, we can add that together with the...
yes, it will be very useful.
Yeah,
thank you.
Okay, sure.
Are there more questions?
No, for me, no, it's okay.
Okay, thanks, Apollo. If there is no more question, thank you for joining our webinar, and good luck in preparing proposal. And if you have more questions, you always can write emails, and we will try to answer you. We are waiting your proposals. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
for the meeting.
Goodbye.